Hello, my name is Dr. Masi Hashemian from Park Place Dentistry. In this video, I'd like to talk about another problem that some of our patients face is headache. Headache because of grinding or clenching. Not everybody is aware of grinding and clenching problems. Sometimes your friends or significant others let you know that you're grinding your teeth at night. Sometimes your coworker can see that you're clenching your teeth even during the day, depending on the stress that you might be experiencing in the office. So if you go through different phases of life and stress in that phase, you might be hurting your teeth by grinding or clenching. When we grind or we clench our teeth together, we create micro cracks, and these micro cracks in our tooth structure is going to cause sensitivity to temperature, hot, cold, and also it's going to put pressure on the supporting bone. The bone is supporting the roots of the teeth, and people who grind and clench typically notice they get more of the recession on certain areas of the teeth. The gum goes down, shrinks, where the bone is shrinking, and that's because of the grinding of the teeth. So what can we do to address that problem? Well, there are different appliances that you can wear at night or when you're under stress. For example, night guard. Night guard is like a clear tray that you wear before you go to sleep. And if you're grinding your teeth, if you're clenching your teeth, it separates the teeth in the back and therefore taking the pressure off of the muscles of the face, and basically prevents, or at least helps to prevent, the headache if you wake up in the morning with a headache. It helps you prevent damage to your tooth structure and the bone and the gum. Unfortunately, sometimes people buy these night guards and don't even use it and something them in their drawer. Not a good idea. If you don't do that, if you don't use your night guard while you're clenching and grinding, you can end up killing your nerves in the tooth and end up needing a root canal. You can end up fracturing your tooth structure, besides the headache and gum recession and tooth bone damage. So if you find yourself grinding or clenching, please take care of it, wear your night guard, and try to control the situation before it's too late. Hopefully this information was helpful to you, and looking forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you.